In Islamic finance, profit and loss sharing is key, and one of the most effective tools for this is Musharaka. Imagine two partners coming together, each contributing capital to a business venture. Person A invests 60%, while person B puts in 40%. They agree to split profits evenly 50-50, which is perfectly acceptable. But when it comes to losses, they share them based on their investment, 60% for person A and 40% for person B. This principle ensures fairness and transparency. Musharaka isn't just theoretical, it's actively used in real estate and business projects. There's even a unique form called diminishing Musharaka, particularly useful in home financing, where one partner gradually buys out the other's share. This approach embodies a Shariah-compliant way to grow together, fostering collaboration and trust in every step of the journey. In Islamic finance, profit and loss sharing is key, and one of the most effective tools for this is Musharaka.